Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix personal hotspot not showing or personal hotspot gray out on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started. So guys, first and basic method is reset network setting. Reset network setting will reset your Wi-Fi, mobile data, APN and VPN setting. For that, go to settings. Scroll down and tap on general. Scroll down again and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on reset. After that, tap on reset network setting. This will delete all network setting, returning then to factory defaults. Click on reset network settings again to confirm that you want to reset your iPhone network setting. So friends, after turning on the iPhone, go back to settings menu, click on mobile data. Here turn on mobile data and then click on personal hotspot and turn on allow others to join. After doing this, your personal hotspot gray out and not showing issue will be resolved on your iPhone or iPad. So friends, if this method also doesn't work on your iPhone or iPad, then go to settings, tap on mobile data. Here tap on mobile data network, scroll down and tap on reset settings. Now it will say, are you sure you wish to reset all network related settings to their original values? Click on reset. That's all.